Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. And this video will be about a Toyota, but it will be not wrenching in the shop. It will be searching for the best deal of the year. Influenced by the other YouTubers, I started wasting my time looking on the Copart pages. I'm assuming most of you know what a Copart is. So I look on my closest one, which is Oregon Eugene, and obviously I look for Toyotas. And this is what I discovered. There are all kinds of deals on this page, but this one kind of surprised me. It's coming. Give me just a second. Right here. So basically, it's a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser with normal kind of miles, right? In the runs and drives, has a minor dent scratches, and apparently it's a lion sale. What is shocking, it's a pure sale right here. That means the highest bidder will get that. Now I looked through all of these, right? It comes with the keys. I look on the photos, on the pictures, and it seems to be right? That's a fully functional vehicle which somebody will get for a super low price. Now I'm not even the member of Copart. I'm just trying to discover this whole spiel with them. So I don't know exactly what I was looking at, right? Is this perfect to buy, or do we see somewhere here what I don't see is there are red flags somewhere and says no way you will buy this sight unseen, right? Sight unseen. It's too much risk, it can be completely bad and so on. So I want to share this with you. Some of you might be Copart members, some of you might consider this FJ, and it might be the deal of the year, right? The 2020 just started. So I was thinking of you because I'm not ready to deal with it. But if there is an expert between you online who's watching this channel, please share your experience or expertise with us so we can learn from yours and continue grow this great community. So that was all from me, just quick video. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. I have way more coming soon. See you later, my friend.